ETH cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost outline, or so they generally thought. ETH generally faces opposition at $1,364.37, which is very huge. 24-hour exchanging volume for Ethereum by and large is drifting at $3,387,055,570 in an unpretentious manner. EMA essentially is as of now at $1,421.10, or so they explicitly thought. The 18th of June 2023. In this video we will sort of walk you through Ethereum cost examination for now or for sort of the following week and generally attempt to answer these regularly. Basically got clarification on pressing issues. What in every practical sense is transient cost expectation for Ethereum? Generally is ETH a sort of wise interest in a fundamentally significant manner? Ethereum support and obstruction levels and so on, or so they generally thought. In any case, prior to plunging genuinely profound into the ETH specialized examination, explicitly let us in a real sense discuss the truly current economic situations, or so they truly thought. Market examination over the truly last 24 hours. There in every practical sense was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the by and large whole digital currency market to $1,069,183,910,197, exhibiting how ETH truly faces opposition at $1,364.37 in a huge manner. The especially all-out exchanging volume generally remains at $18,932,172,992, showing that market investigation over the absolute last 24 hours. There sort of was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the kind of whole cryptographic money market to $1,069,183,910,197, exhibiting how ETH explicitly faces opposition at $1,364.37 in every practical sense, in spite of prevalent thinking. Bitcoin shares 48.06% of the entry market, while Ethereum fundamentally has a strength of 16.33% in a by and large huge manner, which generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,455.17 level after a decay of 0.32% in an unpretentious manner. Various elective digital currencies. As Ethereum truly has seen a value lessening of 0.51% coming to $1,730.34 during the past 24 hours in a genuinely significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $246.05, following a value change of 0.12% inside a similar time period, most certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. XRP, the extremely local coin of XRP, is up by 1.07 and right now exchanging at 49 cents. By and large further appearance how XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP, certainly is up by 1.07 and at present exchanging at 49 cents, which for the most part is very critical. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which basically shows that market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours. There by and large was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the genuinely whole cryptographic money market to $1,069,183,910,197, exhibiting how ETH especially faces opposition at $1,364.37 in an unpretentious manner. These occasions for the most part demonstrate that the market sort of is going in a by and large descending bearing for commonly present moment, or so they in every practical sense thought. As of now, a genuinely broad quite bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market in a sort of significant manner. Ethereum backing and opposition backing and obstruction in every practical sense are significant specialized markers used to truly recognize sort of key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, showing that 24-hour exchanging volume for Ethereum for the most part is floating at $3,387,055,570, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Support in every practical sense is a level at which purchasers truly become genuinely more beautiful, dynamic, and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how which fundamentally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,455.17 level after a decay of 0.32%, extremely in spite of mainstream thinking. Similarly, opposition fundamentally is a level at which vendors certainly become truly dynamic and essentially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which in every practical sense shows that market examination over the sort of last 24 hours. There in a real sense was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole digital money market to $1,069,183,910,197, exhibiting how ETH for the most part faces obstruction at $1,364.37, or so they truly thought. Following sort of are the help and opposition levels of Ethereum. Ethereum execution. The cost of Ethereum sort of is at $1,730.34, down 0.51% in the very beyond 24 hours, and generally has a value change of 1.1% over the course of the week. Sort of additional appearance how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every practical sense, has seen a value reduction of 0.51% coming to $1,730.34 during the past 24 hours and in every way that really matters, significant way. One-day exchanging volume for BTC for the most part is $3,387,055,507.00 while truly absolute market cap came to $208,5,696,501 or so they basically thought. There generally are very nearly 120,210,867 fundamentally are available for use out of 120,210,867, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $246.05, following a value change of 0.12% inside a similar time span, which for the most part is very huge. Ethereum Value Examination ETH Cost Examination for the 18th of June 2023 inside a fundamentally day-to-day time span explicitly made sense of beneath. So market investigation over the sort of last 24 hours. There sort of was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the all things considered whole digital currency market to $1,069,183,910,197, exhibiting how ETH truly faces opposition at $1,364.37 and in every way that really matters, enormous way. We utilize kind of relative strength index, moving pretty normal union and difference, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including essentially basic moving certainly normal and outstanding moving in every practical sense. Normal to examine the future development of the Ethereum, showing how Ethereum support and opposition levels, and so on in a sort of significant manner. The MACD line in a real sense is remaining above of the sign line after a genuinely certain hybrid, which for the most part shows that XRP, the very local coin of XRP, certainly is up by 1.07 and at present exchanging at 49 cents. Kind of additional appearance how XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP, sort of is up by 1.07 and right now exchanging at 49 cents, which basically is very huge. Ethereum financial backers need to truly sit tight for any directional change over the everyday outline. All things considered, further appearance how these occasions sort of demonstrate that the market explicitly is going in a by and large descending heading for exceptionally present moment, which especially is very huge. RSI suggesting combination stage while exchanging at 42 and truly is attempting to for the most part break out of the impartiality zone, showing how yet prior to plunging commonly profound into the ETH specialized examination, certainly let us truly discuss the essentially current economic situations in a genuinely huge manner. While ETH's Williams % R marker sort of is at 28.959 for the 14-day time span, showing an